Hello friends, welcome back to Home Cents with Nell. So again today guys, I am in Dollar Tree. I'm looking for craft items because I'm reorganizing my craft and sewing room, and I just wanted to take a look and see what Dollar Tree had. I was pleasantly surprised with the variety, and I thought I'd share with you in case you guys are crafters or sewers, painters, crochet artists. Dollar Tree has quite a few items that you might want to check out. I'm not going to talk through the whole video, it's really short, but just go ahead and watch, and if you like it, please give me a big thumbs up, leave me a comment, and if you're not already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. It is free. And go ahead and hit that bell notification so you'll be notified anytime I put out a new video, because otherwise YouTube may not put my videos in your feed. Okay, everybody have a great day, and I hope you enjoy this short Dollar Tree video.